Hi, writers! Congratulations! You finished a whole week of Writers Workshop! Woohoo! Today, I want to talk to you about the importance of sharing your writing. Because when writers work hard, they need to share, reflect, and celebrate all the wonderful process that they've done this week. So, today, I want you to decide who you're going to share your writing with. It could be someone at home, it could be a special pet, it could be your favorite animal, it could be Miss Ennis. If you want to send me your all about book, I would love to read it and give you feedback. But what you want to do is you want to practice sharing what you did, what you're proud of, and maybe what was a little bit tricky. So first you would say, I'm making, or what kind of book that you wrote. For all of us, this is going to be our all about or our teaching books. So I wrote an all about book about ice cream because that was my book. I'm proud of. I want to think of a page that I am really proud of. It was my favorite work I did. I liked my picture. I liked my words. So for Miss Ennis, I was really proud of my flavors page. I liked how I drew my pictures and I told about all the different flavors of ice cream. So that's something I'm proud of. And then I need to think, what was a little tricky? For me, it was some of the words I had to sound out, like the word delicious. Whew, that was a tough word for me. So I know that that's something that was a little tricky for me. I want you to ask yourself the same things. What are you proud of your writing? Maybe what was a little tricky for you? Because when writers share, reflect, and celebrate their writing, it'll make your writing even better next time. So today, friends, make sure you share your writing with someone special to you at home. It doesn't have to be mom or dad. It could be brother, sister. You could share your writing with your pet, or maybe if mom and dad are Zooming with some family members, I'm sure that grandma or grandpa would love to hear your writing too. Give them a call. All right, kindergartners, have a great weekend. We'll be back on Monday with more Writers Workshop.